Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to touch upon a very beautiful topic that is nothing but Nifty option strategy. So you have been seeing lots of live tradings and all those things, but today it's a time for looking into a strategy. As per our weekly schedules, we'll have Monday a very good strategies coming up. And I thought, why not start with Nifty options? You all know that Nifty has started off with weekly options, and many of you are utilizing it for many different ways. So then there is a lot of request to come out with a strategy on Nifty options to utilize this weekly options or monthly options. So friends, once again proudly going to present to you trading Nifty trading strategy for working professionals. The reason why I'm saying working professionals is because you just have to spend 5 minutes of your time, that's it, nothing else to be done, and it will be very easy. You all know that my strategies are very easy, very simple to implement. The only challenge will be that day in and day out you have to do the same thing. Do not divert, do not change. Many of you who are seeing my live trading videos and all those who are traveling along with me in the live trading campaign know that even though we had continuous losses, we did not change the strategy. We continued with the same strategy. We stuck to the same principles, same money management rule, same trend analysis, and then we are reaping the benefits. Now we are all in profits. So same thing has to be done for the Nifty option strategy as well. Okay, so let us go forward. People, those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button. You will be getting lots of strategies and updates daily like this, regularly like this. So stay tuned to my channel for longer time. Yeah. So what is this strategy all about? What we'll be doing is, I'll take you directly to the graphs, so to the charts. You'll be getting a better idea. We'll be taking up the 15 minutes candle and we'll be looking for gap up or gap down openings in the beginning of the day. And in case if you find this gap up or gap down, we will be trading in the 15 minutes breakout, and we'll also be taking the options, that is the call or the put, so that the capital invested will be very less. You don't have to spend so much of fund on it. Okay, so I'll just take you to the charts. What I have done is I have opened the Nifty 50 chart, that is nothing but the index chart. I would recommend you to look into the spot chart because futures will keep varying. So for us, Nifty spot chart is sufficient. Okay, once that is done, I have opened this 15 minutes candle. Okay, so you can see the 15 minutes candle. We just have to look in for gap up or gap down between these two candles. Now this is the end of the day 15 minutes candle, and this is the next day 15 minutes candle. There should be a gap up or gap down between these two candles. Now you can see this candle is overlapping this candle, so there is no gap. Okay, so this is the date separator. You can see this line here. This is 14th and this is 15th, both separate days. End of the day, this is 15 minutes candle, and this is start of the day 15 minutes candle. So this day is not suitable for us to trade. What we'll do is we'll come one day back. So in this day also you can see that there is no difference, there is overlapping between these two candles, so it is also not selected. Yes, here it is. You can see previous 15-day candle here, and you can see next day 15 candle over here. There is a huge gap between these two candles. Now what is the significance of this gap? Friends, you all know that trading is nothing but emotions of people. The price changes because of the emotion of the people. So if you can understand that Nifty is opening with such a big gap. Now first of all, what is Nifty 50? Nifty 50 is the average of 50 companies. So if 50 companies index also has to move so much of difference, then there has to be some reason on that particular day for the stock to take such a big gap. Okay, so we will be capitalizing on that. We will be making use of this situation, and then we will be trading. Okay, so what you can do is now wait for the first 15 minutes to close. You don't have to wait till end of the full 15 minutes. By the time first 15 minutes get over, you'll be getting an idea whether the stock is in a positive trend or whether it is in a negative trend. I mean to say whether it is green or whether it is red. Okay, point number one. Now if you find out that it is a green candle, then we have to buy call. And if you find out it is a red candle, then we have to buy a put, nothing else. Simple, clear. If it is positive green candle, then buy a call option. and if it is a red candle, then buy a put option. Now which strike price will you buy? Okay, I'll just take the yeah, you can see now the closing price is almost 10,869. So take the nearest OTM. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so the nearest OTM will be 10,800 for a put option. So I will just take the same, look into the date also, it is nothing but 13th. I will take Nifty 10,800. So you can see that the weekly options are available. Yeah, 14th, 20th, 4th. Okay, so what will happen, friends, if you are almost end of the week, that is on Thursdays, then I would suggest avoid the weekly options. But otherwise weekly option is best suited because the capital required will be very low. But in case if you are near the expiries, then I would suggest avoid it. So as of now I will just show you the monthly itself. So I am typing the February end of the month options. So we need to add the put option. So you saw me 10,800 put we have selected, and let me open the graph for you. Okay, I'll make it big, and the date which we wanted was 13th. Yes, here is 13th. I'll open the levels. Yes, so what you have to do is wait for the 15 minutes candle to get over, and then buy at the close price, approximate close price. So you can see that the close value showing here, it is 85.45. I'll just make Excel calculation for you, backtesting live, so that you'll get a better idea. There is nothing but 3rd Feb we are doing it, and we are taking put option, and the strike price which you have taken is 10,800, and the put we bought it at 85. Okay, and you can see end of the day it is coming and closing at 118.95. So I'll take it as 118.95. Small slippages will be there, friends, let us avoid. I'm just taking the round figures. So you can see the points which has come is 118 minus 85, that is 33.95 points. When you calculate for one lot, that is nothing but into 75. Okay, so you can see we made almost 2,546. Clear? Simple. This is all what you have to do, nothing else. And what will be the stop losses and targets? Friends, what you can do is ideally keep 50 rupees as a stop loss, and the targets I would recommend leave end of the day. Otherwise you can keep the ratio of 1:1.5. That is nothing but, if the stop loss is 50, keep target of 75, which is also suitable. And we'll do one more example so that you'll get very clear understanding. So this gap, hope you understood. We'll go one more day back. So you can see here the both candles are overlapping, so there is no gap. Here it is just miss, so again it is not available. Yeah, so here you can see this close price and this first candle, there is a gap. So we will be trading again, once again it is on red. So we will be taking a put, and you can see the close price is 11,020. So that means we will be taking 11,000. Okay, friends. So let me just show it to you. Nifty 11,000. I'll be taking the Feb month. Once again the put option, and let me open the charts. I'll make it big. Okay. So this date is nothing but 8th February. So let us go to 8th February. Yes, beautiful. So you can see here 8th February. I'll open the levels for you. Okay, so the close price is 123. So let me write it down, 123. This is nothing but 8th February. Once again we took the put, and we took 11,000. Okay, and the buy price was 123, and you can see that it has gone and closed at 165. Okay, once again 42 points, and the profit is 3,150. So this is it, friends. A very beautiful strategy, a very beautiful technique. we can implement with just little amount. You can see the amount which we took here is 85 points, means it is nothing but 85 into 75. It is 6,375. Just with an investment of 6,375, you are earning 2,546. Okay, so say for example, you have with you 50,000 rupees is equal to 50,000 divided by 6,375. That means you can buy 7 lots almost. So with one lot you made a profit of 2,546. So in case if you are trading with 7 lots, it will be 17,823. Okay friends, so I am just giving an approximate figure. With an investment of 10,000 rupees also you can start trading, and this, mind you, I have taken for the monthly expiry. In case if you take the weekly expiry, the amount required will be much lower. Okay, but even let me tell you, 6,000 is a small amount itself. So with 6,000 or even with 10,000 rupees, we can carry out the strategy very easily, very simple, nothing much complicated, and just backtest for yourself. You will get a better idea. Okay, go through this. This is not eligible. Yeah, here you can see one more is there. Okay, but hope you got the idea. I don't have to explain to you again, or if you want, I'll show you this also, last but not the least example. Okay, so the close price is, sorry, we have to open the Nifty one. Okay, so this is not eligible, this graph is not eligible. Yeah, you can see this graph is eligible. It is close prices 11,010, and you can surprisingly see it is a call option. So I'll show you on call example also. 11,010 it is, and let me see the date. It is on 6th. Okay, 6/2/19, and we are taking a call option. Strike price 11,100. Okay, so I'll immediately add Nifty 11,100 Feb month. Very simple friends, just add the call option. I took the call graph, I made it big for you, and we are going to just check the 6th date candle. Okay, so you can see the 6th date candle here. The close price is 115, so I took 115, and then I'm closing it at 147. Superb. Yes, very beautiful, very simple, very easy. Okay, so I recommend every one of you to do paper trade and start trading. It's only a small amount, nothing much confusion, very simple. And people who have not watched this video, people who are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press subscribe button. We'll be getting lots of strategies and beautiful strategies and techniques like this, with perfect money management, perfect trading control, discipline. Okay, and any other strategies of mine, if you want Excel file, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525, and also follow the link given in the description of this video. You can join Upstock and get 50% discount on my additional services. If you want to know what are the additional services provided by me, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.